Lots of options to use the comps from the credit card, Atlantic City, potentially Las Vegas, Florida, Hard Rock cafes, and other options.
Yeah, we'll see where this card takes us.
I've gone to the Hard Rock Cafe in Las Vegas. I thought it was overpriced, but the time I went there was for a birthday reward. There was a buy one, get one free birthday reward. So that's a potential stack at Hard Rock cafes, or if you're getting the emails from the Hard Rock Cafe, you could use the comps there and stack birthday rewards, loyalty rewards, and more.
Oh, yeah, we'll see what they offer.
And in Atlantic City, I guess it's not a far drive. Usually I'm staying at Harrah's Atlantic City and driving to Borgata to play poker. So I could see, instead of driving to Borgata, perhaps driving to Hard Rock and parking there with the icon status that we have through the status matching. And this is new with the tier, perhaps that we earn tier from the credit card and get other offers.
I didn't see any promotions, or I didn't really get many emails from Hard Rock with icon status. Maybe it was because of the match. It wasn't really gaming there, but it'll be neat to see if the credit card gives us some more promotions.
Yes, I'm willing to experiment, and this is something new. So perhaps they haven't updated the system in a way to devalue, to say, the tier that's earned. Because I know with MGM, when I'm earning tier on the credit card, I haven't received free play, hotel room offers, anything like that. But maybe with Hard Rock, the system will see you as earning tier, and perhaps you'll get offers based on that. It's certainly not a guarantee, but we would do some of the spend anyway to accumulate the comps. Maybe this card isn't for someone just getting into Miles and Points, or someone who's maybe been in it a few months. But with us, we've gone through our share of Chase cards. We've gone through our share of American Express, Citi, US Bank, and some more of the popular issuers. So at this point, we're looking for new cards from new issuers, new banks. So this is quite appealing.
Yes, and we've had many casino matches with Wyndham, and that's no longer there. That's how I got the MGM Gold status this year, was through credit card spend.
Yes, hopefully the icon matching continues. And if it doesn't, then we'll have to run the math again, because America loves math. And maybe we'd have to play some video poker at Hard Rock as well, as I've already been playing video poker at Caesars. I now have the Diamond Plus status. I've been playing online blackjack on the various Caesar sites. So this is the year, I think, for 7 stars and the Mandy Companion card.
So excited about that. I sent him running horses to run.
Yes, we'll have the drink vouchers in Las Vegas, and we'll be back in Las Vegas.
Actually, next month. Yeah, we go in February for several days.
So we'll be on the lookout with the Caesars and MGM offers, and then looking forward to the Guitar Hotel in Las Vegas.